Hello, Tiger Teachers. I want to go over the use of read and write in the classroom again, both the teacher side and the student side. So first, we're going to start with the teacher side. The teacher tools of read and write mainly are going to be used on your laptops now. It's going to be the Windows version. It is already installed on your computer. It's either here in a purple puzzle piece on your desktop, or it can be found here in the start menu in your programs. So I have it here at the top, but it could be here in your all programs. Okay, so you're going to open up Read and Write. And the reason for read and write on your PC now is to use the OCR scanner, Optical Character Recognition Scanner. This is so the assessments or the assignments that you assign our students, they are able to be read by the read and write software. In the past, we've had some issues with it reading oddly, and so we want to make sure that we scan everything that we assign to students. If we don't scan it, we can at least test it using this program as well. So it'll pop up with this blue toolbar. If you want to test your document, you can open the PDF here, open it up, and then you can press play. And as you know from our training this past week, it will not play. So I'm going to close this out and I'm going to run it through the scanner. The scanner looks like this, just like a flatbed scanner. Open the scanner and you're going to be pulling your document from a file. So select files. And then you want to make it a PDF. So then you will scan. Now, once you click scan, it's going to want you to give it an output file name. What I do is I type the R and W at the beginning of the file name so that I know, and all of my team and anyone else who uses this file in the future will know that it has already been run through the OCR software and it is good to go. So read and write. This is our testing test, and it's a PDF. Save. And it is scanning the file. Once it is finished scanning, it will open up and I can test it for readability and make sure that it will work. So now I'm going to press play. Well, I select it first and then play. And as you can see, it will read it. Okay, so once you know that the file is scanned and ready to go, then you will switch over to Google Classroom and assign it to the students who need it. Okay, so now as a teacher, I'm going to go into my Google Chrome here, and I'm going to choose a classroom. As you can see, we have all of our old administration classrooms already built, 3rd grade through 12th grade. So if you do not see this in your Google Classroom, you need to contact me or go into your Google Classroom and just see if you've been invited already, because I do believe that I've invited everyone who needs to be a part of it. Okay, so this is my testing classroom. You see where I trained on this. Sorry, I didn't go in and delete that. Delete. Okay, so as the teacher, I'm going to create not an announcement, sorry. I want to create an assignment and make sure that you only assign it to the students in your classroom during that period who need this assessment. If you assign it to all the students in the classroom, then everyone will get it in their Google Classroom, and students might get it who don't need it. They might access it without needing to. They might print it. They might share it, and we do not want that to happen. So make sure that you click the names of the students who actually need the assessment, and then give it a title. So Unit 3 assessment or whatever. And then you will attach the file here. And you're going to choose the file that is the R and W file, the one that has been scanned. And then you're going to upload it. The last thing you need to do is you need to assign it, but you don't want to assign it quite yet. Okay, so that you're going to either schedule it for the day and the time exactly of your class that you know you're going to be giving this assessment, or you can save it as a draft. And in that case, it'll put it here right at the top of your stream of your classroom. and it'll be a saved post. You can open it up then and then assign it in the moment. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and assign this Unit 3 assessment to the students. Now, please note, once all of the students in that classroom have taken the assessment, please go in and delete this assignment and delete that assessment. We do not want a list of assignments and tests in these classrooms, because as the years go on, we just plan on deleting out the students and adding them each year as we need them. So these classrooms will stay, the students will not. We do not want the files to stay. So I have assigned this to my student. Now I'm going to flip over to the student side. So as a teacher, this is all you need to know. Okay. If you are helping the students, this is when you need to worry about the student side. So I'm going to go ahead and X out of read and write to get that bar out of here. And I'm going to go into my Chrome, and I'm going to go into Chrome as Madeline now. So I'm in hers, and I'm going to click her classes. And then I'm going to open up this testing. So here's the Unit 3 assessment that I just gave her. When you are on the Chromebooks with the students, or the students are on the Chromebooks, make sure that they have this PDF reader showing up in their toolbar or in their extensions. They aren't actually going to ever touch this, but this lets you know that the extension has been installed and it is ready to go for the student. If it's not here yet, give it a few minutes. Sometimes it takes time to load, especially if they don't have anything up here. All of these icons should be on every student's Chromebook when they are in Chrome. If it's not there yet, give it a minute, let it load, see if they all load. If it does not, go ahead and X out of Chrome and log them out of the Chromebook, restart the Chromebook and log them back in, and then see if the icons show up. Okay, so make sure that that is there. Now, open the assessment. When you do, it'll automatically use that same PDF, purple PDF icon in here. That's what it's opening it in. It opens up that PDF in the Read and Write PDF reader. So we don't have to worry about clicking the purple puzzle piece up here at all to bring up a toolbar. It automatically does it for us. Okay, so all the students have to do is just play. This is a test of an assessment that I created. I printed it, scanned it. Anytime the student is taking the test, they can press pause. Or if they want to stop completely, they can stop. So after the end of the question, they get the answer choices, they can pause it, they can stop it, they can do all of those things. I guess that's pretty much it. It's pretty cut and dry. I think that this process over the years has gotten a lot cleaner. This new OCR scanner is going to be great in that there will be no more questions when we assign something in the Google Classroom for a student with oral administration. There won't be a question whether it'll read it or not. That should be all clean, ready to go. We just have to make sure that the students have a dedicated Chromebook and that they have headphones. Okay, so that is exactly what I went through with you in our professional development. If you have any questions, let me know.